I am from another planet, outside your galaxy.
Hi friends, quick video, just to thank everybody for Thursday Night Live. Ended up to be a great night, one of the best nights we've had so far. We only had one comment about what happened to the missing few, but that was explained in an earlier video. If you've got no respect for women and people, you've got no place in my life, and that's the end of that story. I'm not going to go back on it. So yeah, we're here Thursday nights as always. Me and Jason Andrews. I don't know if you've subscribed to Jason. He's a hell of a lad. So yes, he agrees with me, and we're doing Thursday nights together. Plus, we're thinking about doing a UFO live night, which will be UFOs, ghosts, spirits, poltergeist, paedophiles, and anything else you can think about worth talking about. So what we want really is people who's got stories to tell us, and we can take it from there, and I think that would be a good night, because I got a few stories. I got a few stories about assholes, and I got a few stories about UFOs. So we're thinking of doing that. So if you're interested, or you know, want to become part of it, leave us a comment, and we'll get back to you and let you know what's going to be happening here. So it's not just about UFOs, it's about anything that people hide from you, subjects that people don't want you to hear about. There's hundreds of things we could talk about, hundreds of things. So let's take it to that level. Thursday nights will still be here, but this might be a completely different night, and I'm looking for comments.
And now for something completely different.
Like or dislike. Please subscribe. Thanks folks. God bless you. Hi there are a few links to more videos at the end. Don't take life too serious, life's too short for that nonsense.